I'm creating something cute with minimal supplies during this lockdown. Hello, namaste everyone, welcome back. First of all, thank you everyone for the love. So today I'm gonna create a wall hanging photo frame. Things you'll need: some decorating stuff. I have some rope, fevicol, scissor and wooden clips, and some color papers, and obviously some photographs. This one is the ready-made frame. I'm just putting the picture inside. I have cut out some colored paper into flower shape in 3 different sizes. Now with the help of glue, I am placing them. Next, align the rope and place the frame with the help of wooden clips. Few of my subscribers were asking that where I am. Actually, I'm in India, Mumbai guys, and I'm living with my relatives here, and I'm really thankful, grateful for them. Now the next step is to cut out some heart shape from the red paper. One small and the other one is slightly bigger. Fold the small heart like this and apply the glue one side and place it on the big heart. I have used a white thread and sellotape to hang them. With the same way, I have created many hearts. Time to hang it on the wall. It's very simple craft but cute. I hope you like the idea. Please let me know in the comment. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.